Here we are going to discuss how to find the adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. So here is the formula. First, you exchange or swap the positions of the elements of the leading diagonal. The leading diagonal will be formed by A going downwards towards D. AD is the leading diagonal. You see, it starts at A and goes down, so it's leading. Now you change, so you swap the positions. Okay, as you can see, D takes the position of A and A takes the position of D. Then you change or you oppose the signs of the elements of the non-leading diagonal. The non-leading diagonal is B and C. Become second, so it's non-leading. Basically, what you do, you can multiply both B and C by -1 or simply reverse the signs. A negative becomes a positive and vice versa. A positive becomes a negative. So let's demonstrate using an example. So here we have an example, and as you can see, the leading diagonal is comprised of 13 and -4. So they have to swap positions, and the non-leading is -2 and 7. So they remain in the same position, but the signs have to change. Okay. So basically, I'm going to paste the 2 by 2 again. So -4 comes where 13 was, and 13 takes the position of -4. A -2 becomes a +2, and a +7 becomes a -7. If the 7 was negative, it would have become positive. Okay. And if the 2 was positive, it would have become negative. If both were negative, both would become positive. If both were positive, both would become negative. But their positions remain the same. That's for the non-leading. The leading, their positions change. Their sign remains, okay, -4 remains -4, 14 remains +14, but their positions are interchanged.